Michel Roth, executive chief of the Ritz Paris, hosts Cookout in order to introduce his new cooking process. Michel Roth, Christian Tête-Doigt and Michel Grosbon make a demonstration of cooking a raw salmon skewer directly in contact with a culinary concentrated alcohol flavored black pepper. A specific device called Green Cooker was developed to ensure the cookings. A 2 centiliter dose of flavor alcohol allows you to cook 200 grams skewer of raw salmon. The cooking is ensured by a film of Cookout concentrated alcohol flavored black peppers ignite around the food. It is clearly visible that this new cooking loosens no smoke neither smell and trap, by difference of density, all the fats of the fish. Fatty products are moreover well suited for this type of cooking. For example, the cooking of a fresh raw foie gras with a culinary concentrated alcohol Cookout flavored bergamot. It is very important to see that all products are raw and fresh before cooking, and that it is not about the traditional flambé, where all products are already cooked. In addition, this cooking allows you to organize a true spectacle in room, which lasts 3 or 4 minutes time of cooking and not 3 or 4 seconds like flambé. In the same way, we have developed an application, Caramélisation Spectacle, which allows you to caramelize the sugar live in front of the customer with the flavor of his choice. This caramelization is the only one able to be done in a crust.
I think they're about to start.
And they're off. Hi, I'm Jake Pliskin, noted creme brulee expert and food connoisseur.
And I am the captivating Donovan Marvin. Well, Jake, so it looks like they're putting stuff into bowls?
Actually, Donovan, what they're doing is they're applying the caramel shards or sugars to each one of the creme brulees. Even application of the caramel shards to each one of the creme brulees is essential to an excellent presentation.
I did not know that. Okay, Jake, it looks like they're still applying the caramel shards. How long is this going to last?
Actually, Donovan, Team Torch already has their torches out and are moving across the creme brulees. This is where it becomes very time-consuming, because you have to be able to finish each creme brulee before you move on to the next one. Also, it's very important is how close that heat is to the top of that creme brulee, because you can burn it so easily.
Oh, the dreaded pastry burn.
But then the next step is where things really become different.
Is that a fact? I feel a lesson coming.
As you can see, Laurent has grabbed a bottle of Cookout, and he's going to be applying the Cookout to each one of the creme brulee dishes.
All right.
He evenly spreads it across the toppings, so there will be a perfect burn when it comes time to ignite them.
That sounds pretty spectacular, Jake. Well, it looks like Olivier has chosen the dual torch technique. I used to use that one myself.
It's 3 minutes into the competition, and it looks like Team Cookout has already started to ignite their creme brulees.
Jake, it looks like Team Torch is looking kind of nervous.
Here is where the real difference comes in. As you can see, he can move from one creme brulee to the next without having to wait to see what the result was. He's applied the proper amount of Cookout alcohol, and it will flame and burn itself out and leave you with a perfect crust every time.
I know, right? I could just see this in restaurants. Killer presentation, Jake. Looks like we're 4 minutes in. What are you seeing?
Team Cookout is far, far ahead of Team Torch.
There's a lot of fire on Team Cookout's side.
Yeah, Donovan, it looks like it's getting pretty hot down there.
I must say, you've also been on fire tonight yourself, Jake. So it looks like Team Cookout will take this one with 150 creme brulees in 4 minutes and 58 seconds.
Wow, that was exciting. Let's go to the chefs and see what they thought of the action.
I think we did the best we could.
A little surprised. Definitely surprised. They were done halfway before we even got the sugars on. They were ready to start lighting.
I think they made a point of their product compared to the old-fashioned way.
Jake, why is the timer on the right still going?
Well, Donovan, that's because Team Torch is not finished yet.
We'll see you tomorrow, guys.
I was happy the way we performed, but I think there is nothing we could do against the new process of caramelization.
We went as fast as we could, and I'm used to caramelize creme brulees, so there's nothing we could have done.
I mean, we proved it. We kicked, their butt, pretty bad,
Bon, nous, on va peut-être commencer à manger, hein.
wasn't looking actually what they were really doing, and suddenly it felt really hot, and I was like, I looked at it and half of the table was already on fire.
The way the new system works is, unbeatable.
I would definitely reconsider doing creme brulee that way because of the cost effectiveness of it.
Team Torch got so caught up in the competition that they gave up quality for.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Stéphane Bourg, je suis conseiller en création et réalisation de desserts en restauration. On va parler un petit peu du Koukal, qui est un alcool à 95 degrés qui permet de cuire sans alcool, hors d'un contenant. Donc je n'utiliserai pas du gaz, une poêle ou autre. Donc là pour le spectacle un petit peu, on va mettre de la carboglace avec un petit peu d'eau, qui va également permettre de refroidir le contenant, parce que ça va monter à très haute température. C'est un mini barbecue portable. Donc j'ai versé du Koukal aromatisé au thym, ce qui va me permettre d'avoir un arôme thym. C'est sans danger, il n'y aura pas de fumée, il n'y aura pas de noircissement normalement des produits que l'on va mettre dessus. Donc là je vais allumer. Voilà. Et aujourd'hui on va se faire des petites langoustines. Et on va les faire cuire gentiment en les enrobant systématiquement. Donc là la langoustine est un peu grosse. Donc le jus de la langoustine ou du contenant qu'on va mettre, de la petite tomate, du fromage de chèvre ou ce qu'on a envie, va tomber dans le fond, va passer sous l'alcool, donc ne va pas brûler, il n'y aura pas de carbonisation, ce sera très intéressant. C'est très bien pour le buffet, le cocktail, le côté un peu spectacle. On verse ça dans une assiette, le client part avec sa langoustine chaude et cuite de façon intéressante. L'avantage également, c'est qu'on peut mettre différents parfums, donc là on est sur du thym. Mais on a de l'agrumes, il y a toute une gamme de produits, une déclinaison qui vont de la violette à la menthe. Il y a 16 parfums, je crois, sur cette gamme. Donc allez voir sur leur site, ils ont des produits très intéressants. Donc je retourne. Je peux me permettre de faire, si j'avais envie de faire des chamallows grillés, on va faire une petite démonstration après avec du chamallow. On peut faire pas mal de choses. Le produit aujourd'hui est connu pour faire de la caramélisation de crème brûlée. Donc c'est vrai qu'on met un sucre sur une crème brûlée, on flambe devant le client en lui demandant son parfum. Et il y a le côté très spectacle, aucun point noir, on est quelque chose que moi j'aime bien. Voilà. Donc là on voit que les langoustines sont cuites correctement. Et puis on va avoir le petit... Donc on imagine ça sur un buffet avec une lumière un peu tamisée, des grandes bougies, des vases, une ambiance assez zen. Voilà. Donc là, la combustion complète de l'alcool qui est arrêtée. Donc on est sur un alcool à 95 degrés, ce qui fait qu'il n'y a que 5% d'eau qui ne sont pas suffisants pour arrêter la combustion. Quand on fait un flambage traditionnel, on est obligé de faire chauffer de l'alcool. On utilise généralement des alcools Grand Marnier ou autres qui ont un degré d'alcool aux alentours de 70 degrés. Et donc on n'a pas une combustion complète de ce produit. Voilà, c'est pour ça qu'on a un résidu alcoolique en bouche, qu'on aime bien sur les crêpes Suzette, mais bon, sur une langoustine, c'est moins intéressant. Voilà. Voilà, maintenant on peut aller à la dégustation, et le barbecue ne dégage toujours pas de fumée. Voilà. On va le laisser s'arrêter tout seul.